Hi everyone, and welcome to Rating X India. Let's see the best Whirlpool Refrigerator Double Door to buy in India. Please subscribe to our channel and support us. Let's start with the fifth product in the list. Please see the video description for the product links. We've analyzed different Whirlpool Refrigerator Double Door and handpicked these as the best ones based on our evaluation. We've highlighted the key features and benefits of each Whirlpool Refrigerator Double Door. Hope it helps you to easily compare and choose the one that suits you. To know the product price details, please refer to the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.